today, guys, today we're playing Kinetic Sand. I forgot how messy this is. And this is how it looks. This is vanilla, this is chocolate, and this is strawberry. It's like kinetic sand that doesn't stick into your hands. Like there has a, you're gonna be ordered what it is, and I have a new design which is an F for friendly. And guys, today we're gonna add. So today we're gonna promenade. So it could be a sandwich, it could be a waffle, it could be anything. Just because it's stained and I forgot how messy this is. And this is the last bag, and I need to put it into the right place. Yes, it is the right place. So it's okay. It's okay, guys. So, oh my god, he got into the chocolate. Guys, I speak Tagalog, but I'm gonna speak English for now. Oh shit. Guys, there's still half of it, and the half is in here. Guys, we're done. This is gonna sell out so fast because it's so tiny. I lost all the people. But it's okay. Let's order, guys. Let's start. So today we're gonna start off the cone or a cup. My scoop. My scoop. How am I gonna scoop this? My scoop. My scoop is like, girl, my scoop. You just ruined my scoop. It's in the trash now. Well, anyways, I'm just gonna use this. What flavors do you like? Strawberry and chocolate, or guys, we're gonna and this white or vanilla. That's a vanilla, my favorite one. You like chocolate because of course you like chocolate. You like of course chocolate. Of course you like chocolate. Guys, let's get the chocolate done. Oh gosh. Oh. Good. This is the. Now, would you like one flavor, two flavors, or three flavors? 1, 2, or 3 flavors? One flavor, which is a chocolate, of course. That's the first that you ordered. Yeah. Get in there. So this will be like. This is cheap. It's only like $10. The chocolate is $10, and the strawberry is like $10 too, and the vanilla is $5. Of course. Guys, would you like some toppings? What toppings do you have? Lemon. This lemon. Lemon's gonna run away. The lemon. Hey guys, the lemon is done. This is the final results. You're gonna like scoop it out. It smells really like chocolate. So guys, let's restart. Okay guys, let's restart. Let's do it. And what would you like to order? A code. You could just sign this in here. You could just sign this in here. what you can sign. This is the paper that you wanted to sign. If you wanted vanilla or things, what would you like? Here you go. Here's the marker. Let's wait for answer. Okay, thank you. Cheap light. Oh, I see. You wanted some strawberry swirl in the cone. Okay, get that. So, cone. Okay. Gee, it's ruining my whole thing. Strawberry, and then you're gonna make it a swirl. Of course, you're gonna make it in a swirl. Why is this thing so annoying? Or you could just go in there. Or we could get some strawberry in now. Guys, this is so satisfying. You have to buy this in if you're only in the Philippines. I buy this in the SNR store and like a barrel. Who doesn't like to buy in the SNR? This is a gift for me from the Christmas. This is a gift for me in Christmas. So, just literally just a minute. I got the swirl, but now it's time to put it carefully on the ice cream. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm sorry if you ruined it, if I ruined your ice cream. Here's the ice cream that you like. Oh, I forgot the toppings. No toppings? Okay, here you go. Perfect order. Now, goodbye. That's all. And I like to and play. Goodbye, girl.